Hello guys! If you want to make easy, delicious, quick pizza with super melting mozzarella cheese at home for your family or your friends in a picnic or yourself, then you're watching the right video. Let's see how we can prepare our magic dough with very simple ingredients that are available in every house and requires less kneading. We'll get to know the different types of the pizzas that we can prepare at home and that would be more delicious than the other pizzas of the restaurant. السلام عليكم أصحابنا في كل مكان. أهلا وسهلا بكم في قناة كيدزي والعائلة. النهاردة هنعمل مع بعض البيتزا في البيت لأن معظمنا بيفضلها كسناك سريع من أصغرنا لأكبرنا، وعشان كده النهاردة هنعرفكم سر عجينة البيتزا السحرية وإزاي الموتزاريلا بتمط معانا وتفضل سايحة لفترة طويلة بعد خبز البيتزا. يلا نبدأ. Let's get started. I'm currently gonna prepare my dough. I have 4 cups of wheat flour and I'll make 3 different holes in the flour. I'll add 2 spoons of sugar, 1 large spoon of dry yeast, and a pinch of salt. I'll mix each and every hole separately with the flour, and then I'll mix all together. And by the way, this is one of the secrets for the perfect dough. I'll add 2 large spoons of milk powder. And I'm just gonna add 1.5 glass of warm water, and I'll mix all together. You can even use a food processor, which will make life easier for you. And by the way, it doesn't require too much kneading. So I'm gonna add half a cup of oil, and I'll mix properly. So guys, let me just tell you that it took me only 15 minutes kneading. It's easy and doesn't take so much time for the dough. I'm just gonna apply some oil to the container. I put my dough in a warm area and I cover it to rise up. Let's prepare the sauce or the tomato paste as you call it. I have here some hot oil and I'm gonna add some onions, tomatoes and garlic. I'll mix properly and I leave it for some time to get the extract of this delicious onion and tomatoes together. And then I put together in the blender and I blend properly. Now my paste is ready. I'm just gonna add some oregano, black pepper and cumin seeds, 1 small spoon of sugar and some salt. So my sauce is ready. Over here I want to show you my mise en place, or what we call mise en place, because this is what I'm gonna use for my pizza. I have black olives, mozzarella cheese, cheddar, okay, my tomato sauce, and the dough. Look guys how it looks like, so fluffy. Onions and tomatoes. This is tuna fish, and I have some colored pepper, sweet corn and oregano as well. Let's prepare together one of the pizza. So my dough is ready. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on a flat surface. I first divide it into 4 doughs, because mine was 4 cups, so I can make 4 doughs, which is 4 pizzas actually. I'm just gonna stretch it in this way, and I make sure it gets a perfect size, which is gonna be my pizza size. You can actually do something, extraordinary. You can make the pizza circular, or you can make rectangular, whatever you prefer, but as long as it looks colorful and tastes well as well. So my pizza dough is ready. I've put it in this plate, circular, and I'm just gonna dark with the fork in this way. I'll add the tomato sauce and I sprayed it all over the pizza dough. I'm gonna tell you just right away about the secret of the stretching and the flexible melting mozzarella. Okay, I've just added some oregano, And the thing, guys, is that I'm putting the mozzarella, the first layer, which will be under my whatever I'm gonna use, whether cheese, cheddar, tuna, whatever, but the mozzarella is down, so it will melt and it will not get burned by the oven. And I have my mise en place over here. I'm just gonna decorate it as whatever I love or how I find it or prefer to be looking colorful. Like as I've done, I've spread the colored paper, I've put the sweet corn, onions in the middle as if it looks like eyes, you know, the omelette eyes. I've just done something similar, and I've put the black olives so that it can give a beautiful color contrast. And this is a fresh tuna fish. I bought this container and I'm just gonna add it to my pizza. It tastes so wonderful. And if possible, you can also add some mozzarella on top, but the secret is the mozzarella, which is down there. That first layer is the one that melts. But you can add also on top so that it can look a bit golden reddish. Yeah, it will look beautiful. I'm gonna take this one to the oven and I'll prepare this one too with you. This is a bit different. I'm just gonna put some mozzarella on the ends of this pizza dough, and I'll fold. So you know, the secret for this is that not only the pizza itself will be having super melting mozzarella, no, it will be the pizza itself and the ends of the pizza, so it will taste so good. And you know, it's not dry, it's actually very fluffy, and I'll show you now when I remove it from the oven, it will look so good. So I'm gonna put my tomato paste spread properly as usual, and I add some oregano, and I'll apply on the ends as well so that it can look a bit gold. I put the mozzarella, as I told you, on the first surface or the first layer, and with some cheddar. This one I'm doing a special one for you. This is with tuna and some chili. You can do it as how you prefer. Some people prefer it spicy, some not. We can also, you know, guys, we can also make Hawaii pizza, which is with some chicken. You can make it with chicken and cashew nut. This is Hawaii pizza. You can make margherita. You can make an Indiana pizza, which is actually with sweet corn, olives, and colored paper. It's like a vegetarian pizza, but with some spices. Pizza is very delicious and a quick snack that you can make for your family. Okay, so this is the one in the oven, and this is the other one, the first one I made with you. Let's cut it and see the performance. It smells so good. You know, it's a bit hot, so I'm just gonna show you right now how the mozzarella is melting and how it looks like. You see, it's very colorful. Wow, look, the mozzarella. Yay. This is how it looked like before I took it to the oven, and let's see the other one right now. Okay, this is the one which I've put mozzarella in its ends. Let's cut it now together and see the performance. Look, guys, it looks so cool. I'm gonna cut it with you. I wish you can try it and you tell us how it tastes like, because I can smell it so yummy. I can't wait to taste it. Wow, look. You see, its ends, it's melting with the mozzarella. Look, 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 it's stretching so much. I'm gonna show you one of the ends right now. As you can see, it's also stuffed with the mozzarella. And of course, you can serve it with some French fries, with the sauces. And I hope you enjoyed our video. So please encourage me with a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.